Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and you're welcome to my channel. You're also welcome to the channel of beautiful people. In today's video, we are going to be making this beautiful headband that you can see right here on my head. It looks really beautiful, and I'm loving the way it's standing right on my head. It can give your dress a beautiful lift, and guess what? You can make this in less than 30 minutes. If you like more tutorials like this, I'm going to be posting 8-piece tutorial every Tuesday. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials like this. Do well to turn up the notification bell so you don't miss out on any video. Without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Papa. So now I've cut out some strips. This is about, let's measure it out. (46.5 inches) of fabric. Is very long because I want it to be very full, and then by 7.5 inches, this is going to serve as our scrunchie. Okay, so now this is the lining for the scrunchie. You understand what I'm saying in the course of the video. So it is meant to be 14 inches. It's meant to be 14 inches by 2 inches. So but I'm making it 15 inches for the sake of this tutorial, because if I want it to be 14 inches, then I'll cut a long strip of 40 inches. But for now, this strip is really full. Let me just make do with 14.5 inches for this. This is the lining for the scrunchie, and now this is the elastic casing. This is meant to be about 15 inches long, and that's what I'm cutting out right now. Just take a look at our velvet. Very strong, stiff, firm, and easy to work with. So this is by 3.5 inches, and now I cut out an elastic band of, this is a 1-inch elastic. I cut out 6.5 inches in length. So now the next thing we are going to be doing is, I'm going to be facing this right side facing right side, and I'm going to stitch with half-inch seam allowance all the way down. I'm going to do that to this one, and I'm going to do that to this as well. So I'm going to go and do all of that right now and come back to show you. So guys, I've gone ahead to stitch it. See, I used a contrasting color so you can see how I stitched it. For this, I just stitched it like that because it's going to be a lining, so what's the point anyway? So this, I also stitched it right side facing right side. And now the next thing I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to turn it inside out to the right side. I'm going to turn it to the right side. you're going to place this like this, so that the place you stitched is in the middle, and then you're going to go and iron it down neatly. You will do it for the second one too, and the third one. Just make sure that where you stitched is at the middle, like this. And then you're going to, I think we should leave this one since it's just the lining, so let's do it for these two. Make sure the place you stitched is in the middle, then iron it properly. After that, I'm going to come back to show you what you are going to do next. Just take a look at how our velvet is so easy to work with. So easy. I've gone ahead to iron it neatly, as you can see. So the next thing you're going to do is, this is the lining, right? I'm going to, with the aid of this safety pin, I'm going to insert the lining into the main scrunchie. Alright, going to insert it. That is what will give it the fold that we need. It will scrunch it up for us. Make sure that this does not go inside on the other hand. So I'm going to put it in the middle, like this, and I'm going to pin it down. I'm going to pin it down. Then you continue inserting the remaining into the main fabric, and you pull as you insert. You pull. Now remove your safety pin. Make sure that this is matching up with this at the middle, and you also pin it down. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Just take a look at this. This is becoming a beauty. Yeah, just take a look. My God, so beautiful. So now the next thing we're going to be doing is to insert our elastic into the elastic casing, and we also pin it just like we did for the main fabric. Pin it down, and then you continue inserting it. Then you pin it down. going to be doing is you match up this place where you stitched and this place where you stitched. You're going to match it up like so. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to be matching it up like this. Put this inside. I'm going to turn this inside with the lining. Just push it in like this. To make it neat. See? Then you are going to insert, I think I should stitch this down. Then quickly stitch this elastic down on both sides so it can be easy for us to work with. I'm gonna to stitch this down on both sides. The next thing I'm going to do is to, you see, I folded this in to make it really neat, like so. So I'm going to insert this with this place that I stitched the last time facing this other place too that I stitched. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to insert it inside and then fold it like this. After inserting it inside, I'm going to fold it in like this. And I'm going to stitch. It might be too bulky on my machine, so I might just use an hand stitch to do it. You fold it like this. After inserting it, fold it like this and stitch. You do the same thing for the other side. So I'm going to do that off camera now and show you. Don't forget, you fold this, you put it inside with this folded in already, tucked in. After putting it inside with this stitched area, with the stitched area facing the stitched area on the main fabric and on the elastic casing. After inserting it, you then fold it together like so, and then you go ahead to sew. You do that for the other side, and let me go and do it off camera now and show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to stitch the two sides. See how it's looking on it. So this will be the wrong side of the scrunchie, while this will be the right side of the fabric. Look how it's looking, so pretty. Oh my god, I'm going to wear this to church this Sunday, and then I'll try as much as possible to take a picture and show you guys how lovely this looks. This is beautiful. Thanks for watching till the end. Till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.